Hi, my name is Dr. Aman Bhullar here, and I want to tell you 4 ways that you can restore your smile. 1, with just regular hygiene, regular maintenance. Seeing your hygienist every 6 months allows you to be able to have a fresh smile, take care of problems while they're still minimal and small. Number 2, with restorative dentistry, that can mean something as white fillings, veneers, ceramic restorations, zirconia restorations are available for our patients that can really improve patients' smile. Number 3, if you've got misaligned teeth, Invisalign and clear aligners are a great solution for patients now with the new technology that we can get patients in little as 3 to 4 months, really improve the position of their teeth and how they feel with a nice new aligned smile. And number 4 is with dental implants. So if you're suffering with a loose denture or a failing root canal or an infection or something that is nagging, give us a call. Implants are a great solution, very predictable. Often our patients can leave with a fixed solution on the same day of treatment, and so those are the 4 best ways to improve your smile. So if you're looking to restore your smile, if there's challenges that you're having in your life, the confidence or the ability to smile or present well or eat foods that you enjoy, we welcome you to give our office a call. We'd love to schedule a consultation with you. We can allow you to do it virtually from your comfort of your own home, or coming into our office and where we can take some more information and records and to be able to provide you a solution. We look forward to hearing from you, and we look forward to giving you a smile that you've always deserved.